So guys, I'll be explaining the pool to you. So this part, this side of the pool, it's about 4 feet. And that side, it's around 2 feet for kids. Para mas mababa. And kakaiba yung pool since usually yung mga pool ngayon is tiles yung flooring. But this one, cement lang. Parang, syempre, kaya nga, parang Asian times nga dito. Parang old school Mediterranean times. Parang yung Spanish period nung sinakop yung Philippines. Parang ganun yung theme netong resort na to. We just finished swimming and we're heading back to our room. Anyway, check this huge building out. I don't know what that is, pero ang ganda niya tingnan. It's still under construction though. Madami pang mga ginagawa dito na hindi pa tapos. And siguro give it a year and a half, matatapos na nila lahat to completely. Guys, check that, the mountains over there. I'll go to that bridge para mas close yung makita nyo. Hindi na ako makapag drone shots kasi gabi na and medyo nanibago pa ako kasi first time ko magpalipad and low bat na yung cam, hindi ko na na-charge kasi kanina walang tao sa room kasi nga kasama rin namin yung parents namin. So ayun, tomorrow siguro magsha-shot ulit ako. By the way guys, that building over there, I think that's a church kasi may cross na nandun. And as you can see, sabi ko nga hindi pa tapos yung mga building, under construction pa rin yung church. So hindi pa mapuntahan, hindi pa rin ma-appreciate kasi nga hindi pa siya buo. So ito yung building kanina for closer look. Sobrang laki, diba? And ngayon, nagsiset up sila dito somewhere. I think it's for dinner. And then namin na nag-picture dito sa area na to. Ayun lang. Ingay na slippers ko. As you can hear. That's my slippers. Diba ang ingay? May jeep na naman. As I told you kanina na yung mode of transportation dito is through jeep. So they have I think 3 or 4 jeep nag-tour around here. Yun yung pinaka-mode of transportation dito. Ay, ang layo ng room. And uy, check this out. Papasukin ka itong isang building na to. Casa Drillo. Oh, rooms din siya pala. Ang ganda na ng front entrance, pero rooms din siya. And dito same lang. And dun banda yung room namin. this beautiful view. So anyway, we're gonna be going later to another resort, which is in Subic. But for today, we're gonna go to breakfast. I think we're gonna ride the electric. What do you call that? The electric car? I don't know. Okay, guys, I forgot to show you. This is the entrance to where our room is. Looks like a house. Actually, it is a house. And then you go up, and then there are room numbers, wherein you will find your room. So it is actually a house. If you can see in the camera, because I'm using the SLR and it doesn't have the flip screen. So hinuhulaan ko lang kung nakikita ako, or kung, sorry for if malabo, if yung focus hindi nagpo-focus. This is a manual SLR, old school na kasi to. So I'm sorry for that. Anyway, we're gonna go to breakfast, and then guys, check out the view. Ang ganda talaga. Anyway, we're gonna go to breakfast na dun sa other side of the compound, and we're gonna eat. Pero I think magsisimba muna kami kasi nga 'di ba sabi ko may church dito. So, let's go. I told you about the big building that I don't know what it is. Actually, this is it. This is the back of it. Excuse me. It is where the breakfast will be held. So, we're gonna eat first. And then I don't know if we're gonna go to the church kasi medyo malayo siya. And ang init na pag nilakad. So, after we eat, we're gonna go somewhere na siguro sa church. If not, babalik na kami sa room. And then, mag-change na kasi aalis na rin kami dito. Okay guys, we're inside the building. And check this place out. It's huge. And I think hindi lang ito yung pinaka-room talaga. Meron pang iba-iba. Since yung kumbaga para makontrol din yung guest, hindi lahat i-open. Anyway, it's buffet. Nakikita nyo, andun yung line. So ayun, pipili na tayo, and then we're gonna eat. Check this place out. Fancy, di ba? Ganda. We have fried rice, we have egg, we have corned beef, we have fish, and we have meat. I think it's pork. So it's time to eat. So fam, we are currently here in the cart area where we are gonna be renting the car. Anyway, it's hot. And sasakay na kami. King, alis dyan.
Battery ba to?
Yes po. Pwede lang mag-drive is yung may license talaga. Did I drive that? Hindi ako marunong mag-drive. I mean, I don't have a license, but I think madali lang naman kasi siya i-drive, di ba? Pero, bawal daw. So, yeah, we're just gonna roam around with this para hindi kami palakad-lakad pati antay-antay ng jeep.
We're just gonna leave the car over there, and we're gonna go to the church here. Just gonna pray, thank God, thank Jesus. Anyway, ito yung back view. Diba? Ang ganda. The man-made lake. And malulubat na naman ako. Hindi ko na naman na-charge, nakakainis. Ay nako. Guys, we're inside the church. And unfortunately, hindi pa siya tapos. Under construction pa siya. Ang dami pang ginagawa. Pero ayun, meron ng crucifix sign doon and may mga statue. Yung mga parang nakatayo na Jesus Christ, Mama Mary. And there's a Jesus Christ holding a cross here. And ayun lang, hindi pa tapos yung church. Pero it's big. By the way, that's the bell tower up there. Actually guys, one thing I like about here is the ambience. Tingnan nyo naman. Actually para siyang old city na sobrang peaceful. Isipin mo waking up every day. Ganito yung view, ganito yung crowd. Sobrang chill, diba? Sobrang ganda. Living the life. Anyway, siguro if babalik ako dito, sana tapos na lahat. Anyway, nagka-cart kami. Babalik na ako ulit dun sa cart. Guys, may mga booths na nandun. I don't know kung but I think oo. Kasi kagabi may mga people na may mga guest na nagre-rent ng boat and sumasakay. Siguro pwede rent yun. I don't know. Pero for sure pwede yun. And then siguro may kasama kang magkakontrol ng boat, mga crew dito. Anyway, andun na sila sa cart. Ako lang inaantay.
School area.
We are entering the art museum. And it's dark. Check this out. Let's go up. Wala pa siyang laman. Don't know kung ano meron dito. Oh. Wow, it's big. Ito siyang bahay din. Actually, it's a house. Jose Rizal in the house. Actually, wala naman. Parang events place lang. Chairs, tables, and yung parang buffet area. Let's go down. Ayun, wala pa naman itong part ng building na to. Pinasok lang namin. Check it out. Hindi nga namin sure kung pwede pumasok dito. Pumasok lang kami. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the cart. By the way, malulubat na yung cam na naman. Nakakainis. By the way, guys, this area right here is where you can play billiards, table tennis, and everything. It's more of a recreational area. There you go. We have table tennis.